Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to wirelessly mirror screen of any Android smartphone or tablet in any computer using web browser. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Screen Stream. On the first list you will see the application, just click on it and just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open, click on allow. Now you will see tons of options here. So at the bottom you will see here various options like stream. Next to it is the settings. Now under the settings you will get tons of options. So here I will highlight a few important options. So you can enable the pin also if you want to enable the pin from here itself. So let me enable it, and there are more various options to customize your pin. You can make it auto change pin also if you want it, and you can block the IP addresses, use Wi-Fi only. There are tons more options below. You can check out by yourself here. And the last one is about the application. So on the above you will see here select stream mode. So here under it you will get two options. One is local mode and one is global mode. So if you want to read more instruction, you can click on this question mark icon and you can read the instructions here. What are the features offered by the local mode and what are the features offered by the global mode. You can check out by yourself here. And at the bottom you will see your device address. It will show you here, so you can copy it, you can share it, and below you will see your pin. Since we have enabled the pin, so by default this is the default pin. You can just click on this refresh icon if you want to change the pin number. So we have changed the pin. Right now you can see, you can keep changing if you want manually, and you will see the traffic below connected clients. So right now we have not been connected. Now below you can see start stream. So firstly set your various options depending upon your needs. Now let's jump to the computer. So now on your Raspberry computer, just open any web browser, and now on the address bar of your web browser on your Raspberry computer you need to put the device address which is being showing up on your mobile screen. So right now you can see under the application, so you need to put this device address on your computer web browser address bar. So let me add it here. Now on your Android smartphone, just click on the start stream option, click on start now. So finally we have started on our Android smartphone. Now just hit enter. Now enter the pin which we have set, click on submit. So now you can see my Android smartphone screen under this web browser. So you can see whatever I am doing right now on my Android smartphone is being showing up on the web browser. So if you want to stop this screen mirroring, then just open the application again on your respective Android smartphone, and now just click on this stop stream. Now you can see the screen mirroring has stopped on our Raspberry web browser. Now on your Android smartphone you can see here the second option is a global mode. So once we select this global mode, it will show web address option. So you can see here the web address, and below you can see a stream ID, stream password. So you can copy it or you can share it, and below you can see here select audio sources, microphone and device audio. If you want the audio from the various devices to be played on your web browser, then you can just enable it. Right now I'll just keep it as it is. So kindly note the stream ID and stream password which will be required later on. So now you need to type this web address on your computer web browser. So let me click on start stream, click on start now. Now put the web address on your computer web browser, hit enter. Now put the stream ID and put the stream password, and after that just click on the join stream. So now you can see the screen of my Android smartphone. So whatever I am doing, it's being showing up on the computer web browser. And if you want to maximize it, just click on this maximize button, then it will show up in the full screen mode. And if you click on it again, then it will show up in the default mode. And if you want to make it in the picture-in-picture mode or the plotting mode, then just click on this three dot icons and just select this picture-in-picture. Now you can minimize this web browser. Now you can just use this picture-in-picture mode option also, and now you can resize this picture-in-picture mode window also depending upon your needs. You can just place it anywhere, wherever you want to place it. And if you want to restore it back to the web browser, just click on this back to tab, then it will be restored back to the web browser. And if you want to stop the screen mirroring, just open the application again on your Android smartphone and just click on this stop stream. So now you can see we have finally disabled the screen mirroring on our Raspberry web browser. So by using this cool application known as Screen Stream, you can wirelessly mirror screen of any Android smartphone or tablet in any computer using web browser very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.